Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're a Synchrony Bank customer, you know how convenient mobile banking can be, especially for depositing checks without heading to a branch. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, so you can do it right from your phone. Let's dive in. First off, make sure you have the Synchrony Bank mobile app installed. If you don't, download it from your app store. It's free and straightforward. Once it's on your device, open it and log in with your username and password. If you're new, you'll need to set up an account first. Now, let's get to the fun part. After logging in, look for the Deposits or Mobile Deposit option. It's usually in the main menu or under a tab like Accounts or Services. Tap on it to start. Next, select Deposit a check. The app will ask you to enter some details, like the amount of the check, the account you want to deposit it into, and possibly the check number. Double-check these for accuracy to avoid any issues. Before you proceed, don't forget to endorse the check. That means signing the back and adding "for mobile deposit only" to make it valid. Then, the app will prompt you to take photos. Use your phone's camera to capture clear images of both the front and back of the check. The app might have guidelines, like ensuring the entire check is in frame and well lit. Follow those for the best results. Once the photos are uploaded, review everything on the screen. Make sure the images are clear and all details match. If you're good to go, hit the Submit or Confirm button. You'll get an on-screen confirmation that your deposit is processing. And just like that, you're done. It typically takes 1 to 2 business days for the funds to appear in your account, so keep an eye on your balance. If you run into any problems, like blurry photos or errors, the app often has a help section or you can contact Synchrony support. Thanks for watching. This simple process saves so much time. Give this video a like if it helped, and subscribe for more banking tips and tricks. See you next time.